When we were out at the observation point, we were getting a countdown from the operations center of all of their checks that they were doing. And then when we heard the item for the launcher closure door open and third stage ignition, and then the missile just lit up the night sky, it was just like a very satisfying feeling of like all of the hours that we put in at that launch facility, the maintenance that we were doing, it worked, the missile flew, and we know that we can still maintain this 60-plus-year-old weapon system.
Every year, a team from each base is selected to go on to the glory trip to Vandenberg Air Force Base. This year, it happened to be our turn.
Usually they try to keep the team that went through training together, and that's part of the benefit of the glory trip. We're part of that experience that you guys started out so fresh, and now you guys are a mature team and get to see the product of your work. To know that from beginning to end that we built it all the way up, all the way until I saw it flying in the air, it was just one of the most rewarding experiences I've had.
3, 2, 1, mark.
We can't do this job without our maintainers here at the wing. They fully take all the perks that come with making sure this missile is on alert. It's an aging weapon system. That's not a secret. And with an aging weapon system comes faults and problems that we face, and they are responsible for getting dispatched out to site and fixing these problems. And I can personally say, working with them and speaking with them and getting to experience what they go through day to day, they have a lot to be proud of.
A lot of people don't know that we exist, but we are out here in the northern states getting the work done and keeping the sorties on alert.